come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video. It's been a while. I miss you guys. Today I'm doing a hair review for curly me hair. They sent me this like mad long ago. I was been supposed to do this. This video is long overdue. But yeah, I haven't been posting that much. It's been a lot going on in my life. I moved. I have a whole bunch of stuff going on. So yeah, but that's gonna be a whole different video. So this is my curly me hair. So I'm gonna be installing this wig today. So y'all already know how I do my videos. Oh, they sent me 26 inches. They be showing love. I didn't really look at my stuff. I know when they sent it to me, probably back in September or October, one of those. I opened it and I took a little sneak peek. Hold on. Yeah, I took a little sneak peek. I wanted to see what was in there. So this is the wig, 26 inches, okay. Wig cap, some lashes, and then our good sis, Glow Princess, who's on everything. And it also came with this headband, which I've been wearing for like the past couple of months. It's so cute, so convenient. Yeah. So let's get into the wig. It's a water wave wig, 26 inches. Density is 180% density. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look. Look at this. Oh! Yo, no funny, like curly me hair has the best textured hair. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking soft. Like they literally have the best hair ever. I love them. The last wig I had from them was the kinky wig, and I freaking loved that. I know I'm gonna love this. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. This is the lace. This is a frontal. Definitely gonna need to pluck this. You could bleach the knots if you want to. I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. I know I'm definitely gonna pluck it. Do I want to bleach my knots? Oh my gosh, I'm freaking obsessed. I cannot wait to install this. Oh! Okay, so I'm gonna see if I have developer and all that stuff so I could bleach my knots, cause this is a bomb ass wig. So you gotta treat it bomb, okay? So I'll be back. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Cause their quality is so great. Like the quality is so great, the textures, everything. The wig be full, it's soft, and it lasts. Like I really love curly me hair. I really do. It's by far one of my favorites. Like probably my favorite. Yeah, curly me hair is my favorite. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. My favorite brand. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I just bleached my knots. This is how the wig looks. Like scalp. And I'm trying to figure out, is this a 13x6 or what is this? Anyway, but I bleached my knots. And this is how she looks. Ooh, look at this. This is how it looks wet. And I'm going to, I wanted to have like red undertones. So I think I'm going to dye it with some, well, not dye, but get some 40 developer and try to work with that. So hopefully I don't fuck that up. I think I kind of over bleached this. I don't know. Still looks good. So yeah, the ends are full. Ugh, I love this. Yeah, I'll be back again. So I'm back. I bleached my knots. I tried to give it like a little red undertone type of dye. So yeah, that's what I have. Now I'm just going to put her on the mannequin. So this is how she looks. Oh, you can see the red a little. But yeah, I'm gonna pluck the hairline. So I can't really pluck it on camera, but yeah. I'll pluck it some more, but you guys can see the red now that it's dry. I wish it was more fiery. So this is her. I'm gonna pluck her some more. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, y'all can see the red. This is how it looks. I'm gonna pluck it some more if I need to, but after I put it on my head, cause yeah. Okay, so I put my wig cap on that much on camera. This is gonna look so good once it's dry. I'm going to glue this down. So I'm using my Isha glue and I'm out. I need to buy some more. Oh my gosh, I can't see. I'm using lip gloss applicator because that's all I have right now. So I cut the lace off. Now I'm just letting it sit and melt all in. Do y'all like it so far? I like it. Ooh. Should I do a middle part, side part? What y'all think? I'm asking y'all like y'all about to reply. But yeah, I really like the hair, you guys. But y'all know I love some curly me hair. I really do. It be the quality for me. Okay? It be the quality for me. Like, it's so freaking thick. And it stays thick. It stays thick. Let's talk about that. You know, some hair, they come thick. After a while, they get real thin. This hair stays thick. Okay? This is what we have right now. So I'm gonna pop my hair. I'm gonna do a quick middle part. Before I finish, we're going to take some hair out. For the baby hairs. Oh, let me put my hair back up. What I'm gonna do is use my mousse. I'm gonna put some in my hand. Oh wait, let me see. I gotta see how I wanna cut this. Yeah, I can't do it. Okay, so I'm not good at doing my baby hairs. Like, I'm getting better, but why are baby hairs so hard? So I had to do it off camera. I'm not that good, and I really be needing to focus. So the fact that I don't even have like a regular memory, I was just like, nah, I can't do this. So yeah, I did it off camera. I'm sorry. Hope y'all not mad. I mean, y'all shouldn't be mad because it's not like I'm a baby hair goddess or nothing. So what I'm doing now is I'm spraying up here all out of this. Get my tweezer and fix my part. I'm gonna take this palette right here. I'm probably gonna go on with this color maybe, and I'm gonna apply that on my part. Let me see. Okay, let's see if my baby hairs are ready to be revealed. Ooh. Okay, I did okay. I'm gonna fix it up some more. Yeah, I'm not good with baby hairs. love like a no lash look. Like I be looking like a baby, a bald eye baby, but I be liking it, I be feeling it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wet it because as you can see, when I hot combed all of this, it went through some of it. So I'm gonna wet it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks when it's wet. Let me get my spray bottle. So I'm gonna leave this side dry, I'll do this side wet. This is some beautiful water wave. I'm gonna do the other side as well, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference. As you can see, it's very defined. Look how the curls just come right back. This hair is so gorgeous. Such great quality. Yeah, yeah. See, I told y'all it wasn't gonna look red after I sprayed it. This is how it looks. I'm not really a fan of the wet hair look. I like it big and wild, so that's how I'm gonna wear it. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. It's so pretty. This is 26 inches. I'm 5'2", and this is where it stops. Can y'all see? So I put on some lashes. I look cute, but this is the final look. This is how my hair looks. I love it so much. So make sure you guys go cop this hair because it's perfect. It's everything. It's the quality for me. It's the length for me. It's the density for me. It's everything. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.